Hi everyone, Melissa here with a quick little midweek mani. I'm just going to be doing a nice simple 3-color with this chunky glitter from Dipp'd that's coming out on January 15th. It's really pretty, and I'm going to be doing some vertical ombre fun with it. I also wanted to thank everybody who joined me for the live last weekend. It was so much fun. I had such a great time, and I definitely plan to do those more frequently, maybe once a month, maybe twice a month. I haven't decided yet. I did start my clinical teaching, my student teaching program, so I am going to be pretty busy coming for the next few months, but I will try and keep up with my videos and do lives as often as I can, still put in work on the weekends to make sure that I still have some content for all of you. But yeah, I will be here. I'm going to be doing something, like I said, a nice little simple midweek mani today, just because I don't have a whole ton of time to plan anything, but I've been wanting to, when I saw this, really wanted to do this kind of vibe with it. So I'm excited to put this set together. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to do a full dip of the glitter here. Then we're going to do the raspberry jam here. Yes, I'm using Dipp'd's raspberry jam and birthday suit for this, along with Genie in a bottle. So raspberry jam here, birthday suit here, raspberry jam, raspberry jam. So I'm going to go ahead and get the solid colors down, and then the single dip of, or not the single dip, but the single nail of Genie in a bottle down. And then we'll get into starting the design and how I like to do the glitter, the vertical glitter ombres. Okay, now I got the main colors down. I am going to go ahead and activate and file all of these before I put my my ombre glitter down. I just want to make sure that the nails I'm going to put the ombre on are nice and smooth before I put it down, and also that they aren't too thick. So we're going to do a layer of the ombre and some clear, so I want to just kind of get a little bit of that bulk down before I do that. Okay, now I got the dip powder filed and shaped. I'm going to start adding the glitter. These nails, I assure you, they are not harmed or hurt. They're just kind of stained in there. So yeah, I'm gonna have some work cut out for me getting that out of there when I'm done with this set, but that's okay. It's not too tough. Some soap, some water, a paper towel. I'll get it out. Okay, I'm gonna pull my glitter back over here. Eyeshadow brush here. I like these short, more compact ones for glitter ombre. And I'm going to do a single layer of dip base on both of the nails that I'm doing the ombre on. Because there's activator in the lower layers, this first layer of base will dry quickly, which makes it difficult to get glitter on in the way you want it to. So we're gonna put this one on, let it dry, and then we'll start in with the ombre layer. Okay, start with this one. Just gonna put a weird base down here. Doesn't have to go all the way over to the other side. So we're just gonna be putting the nail sideways like this. I'm gonna pick up some of this glitter. Tap that on. I'm gonna start to rotate the nail just a little bit so that it does tap some more into the center of the nail as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna kind of take a look at how that laid down and see if there's anything that I would like to fill in some space. So I'd probably fill in a little bit here and definitely some here on the side. It did not catch as much over here as I wanted it to. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of manual placement to make that look nice and full. Okay, so that filled in that space a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same process over on this side of this nail. Alright, now I'm going to do a little clear on both of these and then activate and file them. Alright, now I'm just going to activate and file. No, activate and top coat. Okay, oh my goodness, look at that sparkle. That is so freaking pretty. You know, I was considering using the Dip matte top coat, the new one from Double Dipped, on this, but I am so glad that I didn't because I need to be able to see that beautiful glitter. I think that is so stunning. I'll have to pull this out another time because I've been meaning to test that out. But yeah, this definitely needed to be shiny for sure. Anyway, thank you as always to all of you that joined me all the time. I appreciate you guys so much, and I look forward to doing another live with y'all soon. And yeah, wish me luck in this school. I'll see you next time.